Hi everyone, it's Celeste and it has been such a long time. I've missed you. How are you doing? Tell me something new. I will tell you something new. Shopping, and did you see that short where I spent the whole time trying to open it? I bet you did. So I have these two containers and we are just going to go ahead and go right in. They were both 64 crowns. If you want to do the conversion, leave a comment down below. So let's go ahead and get into this plastic container first. And the first thing immediately I have here is a necklace. It is a really long one. It's okay. It's got a little tarnishment, but that's all right. And it's a long necklace with a little tassel. Meh. Along with it came out this little bead bracelet. It's kind of cute. Got a little taste to it. Little hearts. It's not bad. Next we have, oh, look, this is a tattoo choker with blue beads. This is a gray choker. Okay, so there's that. Let's go ahead and get the next item. Oh, well, here we go. It's another bracelet with beads. These are really nice beads, and I like this. And this is an actual beaded bracelet. It is stretchy as well. Interesting. So we have two bracelets. We'll put bracelets over here, chokers up here, and then long necklaces there. So actually, let's get this little guy. Looks little. Okay. This is why a lot of people are just like, screw it, I don't want to deal with this anymore. Because it's all tangled, and we don't like tangles. Okay, here we go. This is another necklace, and it's a nice little rhinestone. Could use a good clean. I think if this just gets cleaned up, it'll look really nice. It's cute. Nice little one there. Oh, look at this like snake chain. Now this is just a plain chain. That's what's going on here. Nothing fancy, no charm, no nothing, just snake chain. Okay, got it. Next we have this button kind of closure shark tooth thing with giant beads. I think this is interesting, the fact that they use knots. Yeah, interesting. I can let the baby chew on this one. This one has like cording, so it's fine. Next, oh, it's kind of still got some stuff. Okay, so let's go with this one here. This is a 3-layered necklace. I like these beads here. This is very amber vampire-y to me. That's what it says to me. I don't know if you guys get that vibe. Now this is a crimped bead style wire necklace. Interesting. We're just gonna leave you right here. It's not bad. Okay, next. Can I get something out? This one just looks like it's a chain. Doing this one-handed is not easy. Yeah, this is just another regular chain. I love this design though. This one's in really good condition, no tarnishment. So let's go ahead and leave that there. We got a very multi-layered necklace. Just kidding. Turns out it was actually 2 necklaces. So this one is a nice red one with a little tassel. Kind of matches this one. And it's got chain. This one is a more snaky chain with multiple red and maroon beads and silver beads. I could probably harness these droplet beads too, so that'd be really nice. Yeah, okay, so we got 2 big pieces right here. There's a lot of chains. Oh, we got some rhinestone. Oh, this one's adorable. So we have a pearl kind of beaded strand here. Sorry, my hand's in the way. A pearl kind of beaded strand here. It's pretty tarnished, but it's cute. And then we have this super rhinestone one, definitely fake, but with the 2 hearts. It's very cute. Very easy to take this one apart. I definitely will do that. So far we got some nice stuff. Next up, we got this nice bracelet. I love these colors. This is so my colors. I'm just gonna put that over there. This one's a very hardcore metal kind of choker thing. I think it's cool. I don't know what I can... it's interesting. Definitely interesting. We have another woven metal chain, and it's pretty cool because it's got this black line with it. Very cool. Very nice. Next up is we got these two bracelets. So this is one single bracelet with two strands. That would look really good with some charms. And then this one is a vintage one, I guess. And this is a stretchy bracelet. So that's that. It's got some rhinestones on it. It's very cute. I think this one can use a lot of work. Unfortunately, it's super tarnished and it's just got a few little bands, but it doesn't have much going on for it. Now this is just interesting because here's a brand new necklace, never taken off its tag. So someone bought this and then they were like, yeah, I don't like it actually. We have a little macrame piece here. I used to make the shit out of macrame. I don't make macrame anymore. There's a reason. We have quite a few of these pearly bracelets. Let's get these out next. We got 3 pearl bracelets, definitely my colors. Like, you know, I'm all about this lilac color and I'm very happy with how it looks. So in the light, you can see it's super lilac and yeah, gonna keep these. I would call this very cottagecore bracelet. It's so cute. Yeah, it's super cute. Little pearlies and glass beads. Now here is a link bracelet. It's not really plastic. Yeah, it's definitely plastic. Maybe acetate. Yeah, no metal on this one except for the clasp. We got some rings going on. So we got that stacking ring. This one's huge. That does not fit me. We got this cute little dainty one right here. It's kind of cute. We got this one. It's a nice little pearl. It's a bit tarnished, but that's all right. We live for that. And then we got, oh, this is stuck on something. Okay, 1 second. So we got this ring. It's like a little leaf branch. That's nice. It's cute. And another bracelet. This one's got a macrame closure, little beads, tiny ring. It's kind of cute. A different pearl bracelet. It looks pretty nice. It's nice. Here we have an artisanal glass bead with fake pearl bracelet. It's kind of nice. We got one of these stretchy rhinestone style bracelets. Oh, don't tempt me. I love me a good bangle set. Oh, that's nice. Yes. One of these really cheap quarter machine rings. Oh, babe. We got this little ring here. It's very tarnished, but I think it's a V. Not sure. Leave a comment down below if you know what it is and an RIP for my sad nail polish job. Apparently this person must have really liked tassels because this is like the third tassel necklace. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and this one's orange. I kind of like it. It reminds me of like disco, but I love this moon piece right here. I think that's so cool. Interesting that they have an unopened piece of jewelry, and this one is a multi-strand beaded earring combination, gray and orange. Well, it's more of a coral because see, like that's orange, this is coral. We got this super unique trinket bracelet. This is fun. Oh, how interesting. This is interesting. Yes, very interesting. Got a cute little baby rhinestone bracelet. Yeah, that's cute. Very nice, and it's rose gold. Put that over there. Here is another interesting necklace-only chain. There's no charms, but it's interesting. You could definitely do something with this. We have an all-around band ring that's brown. Well, it's more of like a rusted color because it's old. And then this little heart ring. It's kind of cute. Yes. And the last 3 items are a nice little bracelet of auburn. We have a bracelet here with a interesting clasp. Sorry. Interesting clasp. It's got this giant circle. And that's what this bracelet is. Interesting. And this one is just another snake style metal tarnished bracelet. So in total, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 necklaces, and then there's another pearl bracelet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 bracelets and one necklace. This was a lot. This was a nice little set of jewelry. Okay, let's see what's in the next one. So what I'm doing is slowly putting them in their own individual baggie, so, well, the ones that do fit. And that way I keep it super organized. Okay, and then we can open this new one. Oh, baby break. Hello, are you ready for opening part 2? Here we go. We're gonna open this one now. So this one's in a coffee jar, and right off the bat, we got another super brownie bead. This is kind of nice. These are real, and you know because they are knotted. This is an interesting piece. This is another tassel-y. This is probably from India or something because this is a really unique design of the peacocks. Next, we got this red beaded design. This has some weight. These are some nice beads. This is a nice bead one. Next, a little bracelet. Yeah, this has multiple colors. I like this. This is like signs of the moon. Very cute. Very nice. Next, we got a wire necklace, and this is like a legit wire with crimping and beads. It's very pretty. Very nice. Next, we got a gold woven chain. I don't know what kind of chain this is called, but it's like a woven chain. Pretty cool. Next, this is a just necklace, and it says wealth. It's got like a Celtic knot here. Interesting. Next, we got this kind of, I don't want to say it's puka, but the shell beaded necklace. Meh. Not a fan of it. It's not for me. We got, another snake bracelet. I love that. Very fancy piece. This one's really nice. Put that one to the side. This one, even though it's purple, I'm not in love with it, but I think I like it. I think I could harness this into something nicer than this, though. It's a slightly stretched out bracelet. It's not completely stretched out, but it's a bracelet. Oh, here we go. Here we have a multi-layered beaded necklace on metal. Yeah, so it's basically strands of beads on wire, and then it goes on to the metal, and it's 3 layers, so it hangs like this. Next up, we got some pearl bracelets again. I don't know if these are fake or real, but I wouldn't put it past them. They got some weight to it, but I don't know if these are real or fake, but the discoloration's cute. Okay. We got this one's beaded, and then this one's just a snake chain. So 2 yellow bracelets. What I meant to say, this is gold, and then this is yellow, because you could tell. Next, we got, oh, that's tangled. Okay, give me a minute. So in that first part tangle, we got this interesting little wire wrapping stone. I think it's like a marble. I don't know, but it's gold wrapped. And there's that. We get this aluminum 3-stacked chain necklace like this. I think this will look so cool if I can use a lot of charms on that. We got this star necklace. Now this is great to be able to take apart, so that's really good. Then we got this little chain necklace. It's just a chain. It's got some good density to it. It's definitely steel. We got this tiny little piece here. It's all right, yellow gold. Yeah. We got this little star. I would say it's the Star of David, but it's not really, you know. It doesn't have like the actual look, but it's the shape. Then we got this J necklace, so that's not for me. So the next pieces that I got are definitely cute and dainty. This one is a 3 silver heart with some rhinestones. This is just a nice little minimalist curve. A nice kind of crystal in a cage. I kind of like that. A silver hoop with a flower. And then this is a 3-layered necklace with a little rod. I think this is very minimalistic. Same with this design. This is an anklet. I definitely think it's an anklet because it's too big for a bracelet. And then this one is a anklet as well with its little leaflets and charm here. The thing that caused that big tangle was definitely this one. That one does not bend. So next pieces, we got a memory wire bracelet. It's been beaded. And we got this one. This is definitely a fake crystal because you can definitely read through this. Hold on, I'll show you. If you can read letters through the crystal, that means it's glass. And we can see it. So that way you know it's glass. This is the main piece that I wanted to see, and this one is combined. Interesting. Okay. Okay, so we got some nice semi-precious stones and a chain. So that's what this one is. And I really wanted to see this one a lot. And I think I can do something nice with this and do something with the chain because this is such a nice piece. But I definitely think that this is just kind of wasted the way it looks right now. We got this really interesting bracelet. I think it's magnetized. Yep, it's magnetized. Like that. We got some rings going on. Just a little twisty one and a 12 rhinestoney silver ring. Yeah. This very interesting 2-layer beaded necklace. Yeah, it's nice. Those are kind of like the mature colors I like. Then again, who doesn't like a good black? Now this is interesting. I think it's a necklace. Let's see. Yeah, so this is a necklace and it hangs downward and it's 2-layered. So it looks like this. And then the crystals are on the inside. I think this is resin. Yeah, this is a very interesting piece. I really like this. I think this one's cool. Oh, now this is a fun little beaded choker number. Yes, indeed. A permanently fixed bracelet. I don't think I can recycle this in a certain way, but it's pretty. We have a number of little girl rings. Hold on. So really quickly, we got a flower, star, heart. Yeah, heart. Star. Bow. Nothing's on this one. This one's blank. This one's got rhinestones. And this one's like a pearly one, but it's not adjustable, so it's stagnant. It doesn't move. Look at that. We got 2 bracelets. Yeah, 2 of the same. Interesting. Another wooden necklace. I'm not a fan of these wooden necklaces. Last is bracelets. So we got this really cool beaded bracelet, stretchy. We got this vintage charmy one. That's kind of fun. You can hear my son. Full of accessories. We got this silver one. Oh! It's just a silver one. It's multi-layered here. It's multi-layered silver. It's kind of cute, minimalistic style if you're interested. We got this snake chain gold one. And lastly, another snake chain gold one. Did I talk about this one? It's like a black bubble beaded one. And that's it. Okay. Let's go see the baby. There he is. Okay, so that was such a big haul. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing it and going through it with me. I do plan on making these into new treasures, and that way they get new life brought into them. If you want to see that journey, be sure to watch out for a new channel on YouTube coming out called Bunny Over the Moon. And the reason is because I'm going to be turning it into a sustainable jewelry brand where I take old vintage jewelry pieces such as these, all of these here, and then turning it into something new. If I don't want to keep it, or if I want to make like a grab bag box or something like that, it'll go on Bunny Over the Moon. So what do you say? Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay inspired and be creative. And we will see you in a future video. Say bye. Bye. Bye.